Say this Bible prayer in front of the mirror to manifest anything. Neville Goddard. Just say these words in front of a mirror and watch what happens. What if I told you that a simple mirror could unlock the secrets to your deepest desires? Intrigued? In this video, I'm about to reveal a powerful, hidden prayer technique straight from the Bible that can completely transform the way you pray and manifest your dreams. Yes, a mirror. It might sound wild, but trust me, this technique will challenge everything you think you know about prayer. Neville Goddard once said that true prayer is recognizing yourself as that which you now desire, rather than petitioning an external God to grant your wishes. This idea aligns with John 10 verse 30, where Jesus says, "I and my Father are one." You might be wondering what this truly means. In my early 20s, I was striving to achieve financial freedom. My prayers often sounded like, "Please, God, please help me make more money. God, please help me become financially successful. God, please aid my financial growth." I would ask repeatedly, hoping to receive what I was seeking. Then I stumbled upon Goddard's profound insight. Prayer is about recognizing yourself as what you desire, not begging an external deity. This realization struck me deeply. I understood that my approach was misaligned with the hidden teachings of Jesus, which I'll share more about shortly, including insights from the hidden Gospel of Thomas. I shifted my prayer approach from pleading to thanking. Instead of asking, "God, please help me achieve financial freedom," I began to say, "God, thank you for my financial freedom. It feels incredible to be financially free, to have abundance, and to see amazing opportunities unfold in my life." This change in my prayers brought about remarkable results. My financial situation improved dramatically within a year. Astonishingly, I didn't adopt new techniques or strategies. The efforts I had already made began to pay off. This synchrony occurred as I changed my prayer approach. So, this mirror becomes significant now. It starts to make sense when we think about Jesus' words in the Gospel of Thomas, verse 22. "When you make the two into one, when you make the inner like the outer." Notice that only one is capitalized, not two. This is important. When the two become one, true prayer happens. Think about how you pray. Many people, like I used to, pray from a place of separation. "God, please help my YouTube channel go viral." This is praying from the perspective of the two. Then I changed to a prayer of unity. "Thank you, God. My channel went viral." This is praying from the perspective of the one. Consider your prayers. "God, please help me with money. God, please help me get a job. God, please heal my illness. God, please help me get out of debt. God, please help me make new friends. God, please help me sell my house. Please, God, this is what I want. Can you help me?" These are prayers of the two. We need to move to the prayer of the one. Think about how you pray. Many people, like I used to, pray from a place of separation. "God, please help me achieve financial freedom." This is praying from the perspective of the two. Then I changed to a prayer of unity. "Thank you, God, for my financial freedom." This is praying from the perspective of the one. How you pray, whether as the two asking or as the one thanking, changes what the mirror shows you. Your life reflects your inner state. When I prayed always asking, "God, please help, I want this," my personal finances showed my state of wanting. But when I started thanking God as if my desires were already met, the mirror showed that abundance in my life. Take a moment to think. What are you showing to the mirror of God? What are you lifting up in your prayers? Neville Goddard teaches us that real prayer isn't about loudly demanding things to happen or repeating affirmations endlessly. Such repeated pleas often make us feel the opposite of what we want. True prayer happens within our consciousness. Saying, "God, please help me," over and over can show a feeling of lack. Prayer should come from a place of belief, which is why, to those who have, more is given. What is consciousness? It's the state of being that you live in. Do you have the mindset of having wealth, health, a job, a home, family, and love? Or are you stuck in the mindset of not having these things, always asking God to give them to you? This feeling of lack gets reflected back in your life, mirroring your prayer. Let me share a prayer technique and mantra with you. But first, let's understand something important. Nobel Prize winner Eric Kandel found that when new memories form in the brain, the connections in sensory neurons double. However, if this new learning is not repeated, those connections cut in half and go back to their original number in weeks. This research shows that repeating something with emotion can build new networks in your brain, but if you stop, those connections weaken. So here's what I want you to do. Use the following prayer mantra and technique for the next 30 days. Doing this consistently will shift your consciousness, and the mirror effect of prayer will bring miracles into your life. Scientifically, this repetition will also strengthen the connections in your brain, leading to long-term change. Step 1. The mantra. Say, I am one with God. I am one with all I desire. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Step 2. Picture what you want in your mind and intentionally give thanks for it. For example, imagine your wealth increasing and thank God as if it has already happened. Step 3. Keep going without worrying about when your wishes will come true. Remember, make the two into one, and then it will happen. Many people pray the right way but spend their day worrying about when their wishes will come true. This creates a gap from the mind of God, turning the one into two, hoping for a future that isn't in God's mind. Trust that it's already on its way. Say it with me or comment below. I am one with God. I am one with all I desire. When you pray, picture what you want: the house, the car, the money, the health, the relationship. Say, I am one with God. I am one with all I desire. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Repeat this until it's not just a bunch of words but a feeling, and you truly sense gratitude in your heart. You know your prayer is done not by the clock but by the shift in your feelings. When I felt truly thankful that my financial situation had improved, I knew my prayer was complete. You know you're done when you feel truly thankful to God for the money, the love, the health, the miracle in your life. That's when you end the prayer. Try this for the next 30 days. It's proven to change your brain, and with continued practice, reprogramming your subconscious can help you get what you want more quickly and easily. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Comment below, I am one with God, and thank you for watching.